Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Sacred. The monk considered the temple to be sacred, so he spent every morning chanting prayers. Sacred. The monk considered the temple to be sacred, so he spent every morning chanting prayers.
Chanting. He heard the crowd chanting and should have known better than to interrupt them during such a solemn moment. Chanting. He heard the crowd chanting and should have known better than to interrupt them during such a solemn moment. Should have known better than to... I should have known better than to leave her to it. Should have known better than to... I should have known better than to leave her to it. To leave somebody to something. After they decided to leave him to it, he was finally ready to embark on his long journey. To leave somebody to something. After they decided to leave him to it, he was finally ready to embark on his long journey. Embark. Before I embark on this adventure, let me accompany you to your apartment to make sure you're safe. Embark. Before I embark on this adventure, let me accompany you to your apartment to make sure you're safe. Accompany someone to. I offered to accompany her to the party, but I was careful not to overstay my welcome. Accompany someone to. I offered to accompany her to the party, but I was careful not to overstay my welcome. Overstay. I didn't want to overstay my visit, nor did I want to pry into their private family matters. Overstay. I didn't want to overstay my visit, nor did I want to pry into their private family matters. Pry. She didn't mean to pry, but she needed to know the exact time frame for the project's completion. Pry. She didn't mean to pry, but she needed to know the exact time frame for the project's completion. Time frame. Within this short time frame, he had to decide whether to renounce his claim to the throne. Time frame. Within this short time frame, he had to decide whether to renounce his claim to the throne. Renounce. To renounce one's faith in such a sacred place was considered an unthinkable act. Renounce. To renounce one's faith in such a sacred place was considered an unthinkable act.